Everyone has heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, so I thought I'd head down to the local IGA here in Dalkeith to stock up on one of my favourite fruits. This is Tucker Fresh IGA in Dalkeith, a family-owned supermarket who focus on providing fresh local WA produce to the community, like these guys, Bravo Apples. To learn all about them, I'm chatting to Georgia Thomas from Bravo Apples.
Bravo apples were actually developed right here in Western Australia, and they're grown here in Western Australia as well. They have that beautiful sweet flavour when you bite into them, but they also have this unique burgundy skin which just looks so good on the plate, and they're also full of flavonoids, which is a type of antioxidant, so they're really healthy for you as well. One of the things we found out about Bravo apples is they're actually really slow to brown, which is fantastic for preparing ahead of time. It means that parents who know that their kids eat more fresh produce if it's sliced up can slice it up for them in the morning, and when they open that lunchbox in the middle of the day, the apples are still going to look good and taste good.
Awesome. Well, I'm excited to get cooking. I might grab some and get into the kitchen. Here today with Dom Sheed from the West Coast Eagles. Mate, I've got my hands on these delicious Bravo apples, and I thought I'd get you to help me make an apple tart. What do you reckon?
There you go. I'm very excited. I don't cook too many desserts at home, mate, so I'm looking forward to seeing how we go.
Well, to get started, I'll get you to help me peel and core these apples. I've got a peeler here, and it's no special way, to be honest. Just be careful. It's quite sharp.
Quite sharp. All right. I don't want to lose a finger, do I?
So whilst you're doing that, I might work on this base for this apple tart. Basically, I've just got a few ingredients here. Some almond milk, adding that to my bowl. I've also got some vanilla sugar, just to kind of elevate this dish a bit. A bit of cinnamon always goes well with apple, and just to help that form a paste, I've also got a bit of egg white. So just crack that in. Oh, you've already done one.
I don't reckon I've peeled an apple since I was a little kid, actually, so she's winding back the clock a bit for me.
So I'll cut this in half. So what I'm doing is cut it into quarters. We'll just get rid of that core, just down the middle. Once you've got the quarters, with the core out, we'll just slice them just as thinly as you can.
Very thinly.
I'll get you to do some as well, that's cool. I'm just going to mix this base for our tart.
Are they thin enough, mate?
Yeah, they look... No, that's paper thin.
Paper thin.
I reckon that's
I think that was one of your ones.
That's perfect. Right, Dom, we're pretty much there. We can assemble our pastry.
Do you eat as you cook?
I do, actually. I'm a big snacker. These are good, though. These are very tasty. What I'll get you to do is, with this almond milk base, we're just going to spread it.
Really struggles to stick, doesn't it? I'm getting there, mate.
That's what pastry is all about, hey? We will lay the apples quite nicely. That's like a nice, neat pattern. And then we're pretty much nearly there, I reckon. How's that? That looks good. Couldn't have done that better myself. I mean, pretty picture perfect if you ask me.
Thanks, mate.
How good's that?
Pretty impressed with my apple laying ability.
I reckon that's ready to cook. So I've got the oven on at 220. I'm going to throw this in for about 20 minutes until the pastry is nice and crisp and the apples are tender. Alrighty, it's looking good. I reckon now it's time to finish this tart. I might get you to give me a hand. Transfer that to the chopping board. And to finish, all I've got here is just melted some apricot jam in the microwave. And we're just going to brush some on. It smells good. Yeah. Cut that up, serve it with a bit of crème fraiche, and we'll give it a try.
Give it a whirl. Can't wait. Yum.
Good.
It's so easy to make, isn't it? Very simple.
And you can make that at home now.
Those apples are delicious.
For this recipe, head to our website and look out for Bravo apples now in season at your local WA IGA supermarket.